Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Volkswagen Touareg versus Duramax. We'll explore the key differences between these two options, helping you understand which might better suit your needs. The Touareg is a premium SUV, while Duramax refers to a powerful diesel engine often found in larger trucks and SUVs. We'll delve into their performance, capabilities, and overall driving experience to provide a clear comparison. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Touareg typically offers a more car-like driving experience with responsive handling and comfortable suspension. It's designed for a blend of on-road comfort and light off-road capability. Duramax-equipped vehicles, however, are built for heavy-duty tasks. Their powerful diesel engines provide immense torque, making them ideal for towing large trailers or hauling substantial loads. Consider your primary use case when evaluating these performance aspects. Inside, the Volkswagen Touareg emphasizes luxury and refinement. You'll find upscale materials, advanced infotainment systems, and a comfortable cabin designed for long journeys. Duramax engines are typically found in trucks and larger SUVs, which often prioritize durability and functionality. While many offer comfortable interiors and modern tech, their primary focus is on utility and capability. Both can offer advanced safety features, but the overall cabin feel and design philosophy differ considerably. Ultimately, choosing between a Volkswagen Touareg and a Duramax-powered vehicle depends entirely on your priorities. If you seek a refined, comfortable, and capable SUV for daily driving and occasional adventures, the Touareg is an excellent choice. If your needs involve serious towing, heavy hauling, and robust performance, a Duramax-equipped truck or SUV will be more suitable. Both offer distinct advantages in their respective categories. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.